So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you that if you have a Samsung inverter AC and the remote of that AC looks like this and the remote of your AC is not working properly or the remote is damaged and you have to use your AC from mobile in emergency, then today I am going to tell you how you can use AC from mobile very easily. So let's start the video. Before using AC from mobile, keep in mind that if you have a Xiaomi Redmi phone or your phone has IR blaster, then only you can use AC from your mobile, that too without Wi-Fi connectivity, and you can use your AC offline anytime. So friends, first of all open Play Store in your mobile. After opening Play Store, search Raza Remote. Install Raza Remote. Raza Remote has been installed. Now agree to all the terms and conditions of Raza Remote. Now touch on Add Remote. After that the main page of Raza Remote app will open. In the main page go to the symbol of AC. Now make sure that you turn on the main supply of your AC. And now find Electrolux. Now go to Electrolux and use the mobile in the same way as you use the remote of AC. And now you can see in the screen of mobile, matching voltage 1 to 30. Now you can see the red color power button in the mobile. Now press this power button. If your AC is making a beeping sound after pressing the power button, you have to touch on it worked. And if your AC is not making a beeping sound, then you have to do next. After that the second remote will appear. If your AC is not connecting, then click next and continue this process further. And you have to keep doing next until your AC is not making a beeping sound. Now my AC is making a beeping sound for the third time, so now I will touch, it worked. After that the remote of your AC will be completely made. With the remote, you can easily use almost all the functions, that too anytime offline. I have done a good practical before making this video. When I have been successful in this video, only then I am uploading this video. I hope you have understood the information given by me, then please like my video. I hope you have understood the information given by me, then please like my video.